How to disable Face ID on Gcash. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to disable Face ID login on Gcash. So first, open the Gcash app and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Next, go to Settings and select Biometric Login. If Face ID is enabled, you will see an option to turn it off. If you don't see it, tap on Gcash MPIN instead and make sure that you have a secure MPIN set up. In some cases, Face ID might not turn up completely. If that happens, go to Help Center, search for Disable Face ID, and follow the instructions to request assistance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.